What is going on, guys? It is Ahmed and I am back today with yet another video for you all, and today it's all about Dogecoin. So we know very soon here Elon Musk is set to host Saturday Night Live at 11:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So I'm making this video approximately 3 hours before that, and we want to look at the price action of Dogecoin because that is the most anticipated thing for the night, in my opinion, especially for those of us, including myself, that are invested in the cryptocurrency Dogecoin. So, as you guys know, this thing has been on fire the last month or so, and even before that. So we started at about 6 cents a share only a mere 1 month ago, and since then it's over 10x in its value. So for the last 7 days, we saw Dogecoin peak at around 72 cents per coin, and truly the fact that it's just, initiated as a meme, right? Something that is an inflationary coin. So more and more Dogecoins are circulating the crypto space every single minute and every single day. So a lot of people don't understand that concept, which makes it very hard to actually increase in price. So the fact that this thing has been pushing, that means more buying pressure is there than selling pressure, and more buying pressure is there in comparison to how much coins are being, generated on a daily basis. And it said something along the lines of 750,000 US dollars have to be invested into Dogecoin every single day so it doesn't lose value, just based off its inflationary aspect, or that attribute that Dogecoin has. Now, today, what is set to happen? Elon Musk is going to be on Saturday Night Live. If you go through his Twitter, this man has been non-stop tweeting about Dogecoin since December 20th, 2020. So pretty much the last 5 months, there's been a tease here, a tease there, speculation here, speculation there. But the big thing is look at this. Look how excited he is to be on Saturday Night Live. So he even put out a special link for people to view the episode outside of the United States. So he's like, here's a link for all those who are interested internationally. And the big thing that we're anticipating is the fact that, not Miley Cyrus being, a part of the episode or anything, but the fact is Elon Musk has been teasing us and saying he will be talking about Dogecoin. And he said something along the lines of, he tweeted Dogefather, Dogecoin, to the moon, tune in May 8th, Dogecoin. So again, there's been a lot. So you can scroll through his Twitter and try to find and highlight those different tweets. But guys, this has been nothing short of amazing, and I'm very, very excited to see what happens with Dogecoin's price. Now, before I continue on through the rest of the video, I do want to mention, get your free stocks below. A lot of people have been asking me, where do I buy Dogecoin? So, right, I'll be talking about my price prediction after this at the end of the video, but as you can see, you can get 2 free stocks, and also the ability to trade Dogecoin on Webull is now available. So you can get your 2 free stocks when you deposit $100, valued up to $1,850. You could read this highlighted region here, but also the ability to trade Dogecoin with something that is FDIC insured, right? So we know that brokerages, it's important for them to be FDIC insured, so you can ensure that your money is not going to disappear overnight. And if anything was to happen, you at least have some type of backing, some type of insurance. That's why I like Webull so much, and the ability to trade in the pre-market and the aftermarket, and also get your $250 of up to $250 worth of Bitcoin when you deposit X amount of money on Blockfi. And this is also another space to buy cryptocurrency. So that's, again, a couple things that I have down below in my description. Click the links, get your free stocks, get your free Bitcoin, folks. Now, what am I doing? What am I anticipating for the SNL, the Saturday Night Live episode and viewing this evening? Now, there are a couple different trains of thoughts that I have, but in my opinion, I think this is what's going to happen. And it might not be the most popular of choices, but regardless, this is what I truly think is going to happen with Dogecoin. Now, Elon Musk is going to go on, and again, as long as he, it is true that he speaks about Dogecoin, yes, there's going to be more people that are going to start getting interested in on it. But remember what happened in the Super Bowl, right? They were saying, Dogecoin is going to be talked about in the halftime show. Didn't happen. Doge Day, 420, right? They wanted to push Dogecoin to $1. Didn't happen. Saturday Night Live, Elon is anticipated to talk about Dogecoin. If he does talk about it, then I can definitely see an increased buying pressure, and this thing can truly move forward where it hits $1 and even exceeds that. It can exceed expectations. But remember one thing. buying the rumor, selling the news. This is something that is very common in the stock market and the cryptocurrency market. So the fact that he's going to be on SNL, look at this, in anticipation of it, a lot of people started selling today. Although the last 7 days, you could see we're at, it's pretty much doubled since the beginning of just last Saturday. So in the last 7 days, it's doubled in price, almost 100% in price increase. And look at the market cap at $83 billion. So again, this can go one of two ways. I truly think that potentially it can continue to sell off, right, up until the episode in the next 4 hours. If he talks about Dogecoin and some bullish sentiments are mentioned throughout the episode, although it's there for comedy, I think that, again, the fact is Dogecoin is currently a meme coin. Yes, it's starting to get accepted as a currency, for the Mavericks website. So if you're an NBA fan, I know you can start buying merch and tickets for Mavericks games with Dogecoin, right? There's a lot more potential utility. And could it be the future currency? That is possible. Again, regulations can change all of this, but for the time being, there's a lot of potential and possibilities for Dogecoin, and we can all be considered early adopters if we're in now. But I want you to invest with with a lot of carefulness, and I want you to make sure you're doing this with money that you're willing to lose. By that I mean not truly lose, but stomaching volatility. So if it does sell off after SNL, which I'm anticipating, it can go to 50 cents, potentially 40 cents. But after that, after all these new investors are going to be coming into Dogecoin, this buying pressure will increase, and I think over time, more and more news will come out, and this is just the beginning. So it can potentially reach a dollar, right? Get into 130, 140 billion dollar market cap. It is possible. It's going to be exceeding a lot of expectations, but it is very possible. Because look, who would have thought that Dogecoin would have been the fourth biggest cryptocurrency by market cap come May 8th, 2021? That's just not in the books. It was created as a joke. And now look what's happened. Mass adoption is here, and it's slowly but surely looking to surpass Binance Coin. And right now on Reddit, I know that's one of the big goals, is to help it surpass and hope it surpasses Binance Coin. So can it happen? Absolutely. Will it happen? We won't know unless it actually does. In my anticipation, I think it will. Again, just my opinion, not financial advice. Remember, none of my channels for financial advice. Rather, I try to put you guys on the plays that I am in. So let's see what happens. I am looking to potentially stream tonight's Saturday Night Live Dogecoin price action and have it, on the side of the stream for us to kind of watch together if I have the ability to do so. So let's see what happens. Everybody get excited for tonight. We only have just a few more hours before all of this goes down, and then we will truly see. Because guess what? Only time will tell exactly what happens. This is all speculation, and this is all guessing. But right now, it looks like there is a little bit of selling pressure going on. Again, in anticipation, people selling the news before it actually happens. But we'll see. A lot of people in mind, what I'm anticipating are going to be buying the dip after this thing pulls back. So guys, thank you so much for tuning in. I really appreciate all of you. Get your free stocks with Webull. Get your free Bitcoin with Blockfi when you deposit certain amounts, $100 with Webull, of course. But until next time, everybody, keep investing.